Hi everybody, today's focus, I am going to test out this portable camping shower because I need serious help cleaning the soap scum off of my shower walls. So if you've watched any of my reviews where I am testing bathroom products to see how well they remove soap scum, you know I have a hard time rinsing the walls of my shower. In my old bathroom, I had a shower head that had the long hose attachment, but in my new house, the showers don't have the long hose, and I am sick and tired of using a bucket of water or a red Solo cup and splashing the wall to try to get the soap off the walls. So I saw this actually on TikTok, and unfortunately, I don't know how to go back and find the video where I actually saw this for the first time. But there was a TikTok where a woman was using a product similar to this. I don't know if this is the exact product, and she was using it to rinse off the shower walls, and I said, that's exactly what I need. I need something like that to help me rinse these walls. I went to Amazon, I found this one, I read a bunch of reviews. I was really looking for something that had high pressure because I want to be able to rinse off the soap and the soap scum off the shower walls. So I found this one, I read the reviews, they seemed okay, so I am going to test this out today. So in order to use this in my shower, I'm going to need to get a bucket so I can put the rinse water inside the bucket and then put what looks like the pump inside the bucket of water and then use the spray. This particular one also says the hose length is 6 feet. That's fine. The operating time is 45 to 60 minutes. So I do need to make sure I charge the battery first before I test it. So it takes 3 to 5 hours to charge it. And then the water flow rate is 0.9 gallons per minute. So I'm going to open this, charge it, and then clean my shower with it. Okay, so I tried the portable camping shower. First, let's go over the pros. It's easy to assemble, it's easy to use, it's lightweight. Now, let's go over the cons. It does not have a strong pressure at all. Now, I was using this to try to clean the shower walls in my bathroom. If I were using this to take a shower, like outside camping, There is no way that pressure would remove shampoo from my hair. So it just is not strong enough for that at all. Would it be strong enough for a body rinse? Sure, I mean, if you're camping, I guess you're expecting to not really get a full shower. So would it be good enough? Probably. Would it be able to rinse the shampoo out of my hair? I don't think so at all. I do not believe that the pressure is strong enough at all in the shower head. Now it does have the bidet head also. That worked a little bit better. You get a little more pressure out of the bidet head than you do the shower head. I still don't think the bidet head would even be strong enough to remove shampoo from my hair. But again, I did not test it as a camp shower. I was testing it to see if it could help me remove the soap from my shower while I'm cleaning. I do think though it would be good to rinse sand off your feet, maybe, when you get off a beach. It might work pretty well for that, but I'm not hugely impressed with it. So it does better than the Solo Cup Splash. Okay, it does a better job than Solo Cup Splash. But it does not do better than having a long hosed shower head. So I am just gonna have to convince my husband to change those shower heads to be the long hose shower head so I can properly clean our showers. Until they get changed, I will use it because it is easier than using the Solo Cups. I just wish it had a higher pressure. If it had a higher pressure, then I wouldn't need to replace my shower heads at all. I'm not hugely impressed by it. I wouldn't recommend buying it, but I'm happy I at least tried it. If there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section and I'll add it to my viewer suggestion list. Or you can mail me something. My mailbox address is in the description below. Just do me a favor and send me an email that's also in the description so that I know it's from you and so I know to check my mailbox. I had someone recently mail me a method cleaner and I don't know who it's from and I'd really like to know who it's from before I do the testing. So if you sent me the method cleaner, please send me an email. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, have yourselves a great day.